Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Azure Monitor portal for VM performance, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Azure portal, which is portal.azure.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Azure portal login page. On the login page, enter your email address associated with your Azure account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. You will now be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password and click Sign In. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Azure portal dashboard. In the left-hand menu, locate the All Services option and click on it. In the search box, type Monitor to find Azure Monitor. Click on Monitor in the search results to open the Azure Monitor dashboard. In the Azure Monitor dashboard, select the Insights option. Under Insights, look for the Virtual Machines section and click on it. You will see a list of your virtual machines displayed on the screen. Select the virtual machine you want to monitor by clicking on its name. The performance overview for the selected VM will load, showing key metrics. You can customize the metrics displayed by using the options available on the page. Explore additional features such as alerts and alerts rules for more insights. To log out, click on your account name located in the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu to safely exit the portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.